Hey there, I'm Jacob, one of the co-founders here at ReadyText. And whether you're a new or existing customer, I'm really excited to share with you what we've got in store. We've completely rebuilt ReadyText as a software product, and everything on our roadmap is geared to one sole purpose for you, boosting revenue. Everything that we've thought about and will continue to think about with your help will be solely geared to how can we increase engagement, increase customer satisfaction, and then attack your bottom line in a way that you've got more revenue than you know what to do with. I'm excited to jump in, so let's show you what we've got in store. Waitlist is the great way to manage anything. If somebody's walking in, or if you want to manage a different reservation, or you want to add folks to a list, you could do that here. So you add a party. Today's date is the 6th. I'm going to go ahead and add the current time, and then we can add estimated wait time. Let's say it's 15 minutes, party name, the Chen family, or we'll just do Chen family, party size is 4, and then let's add a phone number for these folks. 555 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. And I just hit enter, and then you can go ahead and it's instant. Now let me do another one. We could add a little notes to this one, right? So let's say the wait time increased. We'll call this the Andersons. And this is a party of 2, 555, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the notes prefer outdoor seating. And let's say they're celebrating their anniversary. We can go ahead and hit register party, or you can hit enter again. Up to you. So as this comes in, what you're going to notice is right here we have the Chen family, and then just below it are the Andersons. One thing that was never here before is completed. So in other situations in the past, if you completed this, you may have to recreate it. But now with ReadyText, you can actually go in to completed parties and you can actually reactivate that party. So let's say this old one, Maria's group, I want to reactivate. I can simply click reactivate party, and you see here Maria's back in action. So maybe they were a no-show, but now they're here and we're going to go ahead and seat them. And marking that allows you to collectively tag all these different parties in a way that ReadyText was never able to do in the past. Let's say, hey, Chen family, they're a no-show. That's okay. But we've got the Andersons and their kids are in town, so we want to go ahead and select modify. And we want to add, I don't know, maybe they have 2 more kids. So we're going to make this a party of 4 and we're going to update the party. You can see instantly size of the party is updated. Then we're going to go ahead and notify them their table's ready. All set over here. I want to show you one more thing, and that's messages. Our message template capability, you now have the ability to move everything around in the order that is best for you and your business. So let's say you want to add a template. You can go in here, add the name, delay, and then put the body of the template in here. This works really well, especially if you want to do a little bit of engagement from a marketing perspective. Let's say you're sending out that text, but perhaps 5 minutes before you know the table's ready, or before you would normally send out that text or alert someone on one of those pagers, you could say, be sure to check out the menu. We've got a special. Be sure to check out the merchandise in the store next door. We've got a special 10% off if you show this text. You've got a lot of opportunity here, and we're just getting started. Can't wait to see you on the inside. Stay safe. Bye.